In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see how many times your iPhone has been connected to charger. Tracking how many times your iPhone has been connected to a charger is important because it helps you monitor battery health. By understanding your charging habits, you can make adjustments to prolong the battery's lifespan, such as avoiding frequent full charges or letting the battery drain completely. To see this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to battery. You will want to select onto this option of battery health. Now on cycle count, you will see the times your iPhone has used your battery capacity. The iPhone's battery is designed to last for about 500 full charge cycles before its capacity drops to 80%, affecting performance and battery life. And by the way, the more times, the lower the resale value as well. That's how easy it is to see how many times your iPhone is being charged. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.